What's up, everybody? Got my buddy called me over here with his new 2023 UForce 1000. We're gonna get a clutch kit put into it. What brand is it, Jason? Which brand? MSC? Gonna put the MSC clutch kit in it, and a common complaint about them that we found out is the jerky throttle clutching. He wants to smooth that out, so we're going to take a test ride in it and see how jumpy it is from this before we put it in, and then we'll get that installed. He's already removed the cover, so we're going to show you how jumpy it is, and then when we get back we'll put that in and re-record after it's installed and see how much smoother it is.
It's not terrible in work mode.
Right, smooths it out a little bit.
When we get down here in the yard, I'll show you. It's pretty bad.
Oh yeah, I can feel how jumpy it is.
That's in work. Normal is nothing. I'll show you right here when I get in the front.
Yeah, you can hear it. Dadgum.
It's not worth running low at normal. Put it high when we come back. Obviously it's better at high.
Yeah. One thing I will just definitely give CFMoto is they got some sweet instrument panels.
Yeah, that's the work. It changes when you put it in normal.
All right. Got a pretty comfortable seat in it.
It looks great, they're not bad.
Yeah, they're not bad at all. They've come a long way.
I don't know what the official 0 to 30 time is, but it's got to be pretty slow. I'll say that for it.
I heard it engage hard there.
Wow, man.
Yeah. She's got some pretty good pickup for a Ute.
That was 8 miles to 40. Yeah, it's not.
I'd be real interested in seeing this thing run against the Ranger.
They felt real similar.
Yeah.
I went and drove them. Just not sure if it's worth $6,000.
No, it is not. You got a trailer and a brand new side-by-side for less than the cost of the MSRP on a Defender or an XP Ranger 1000. Brand new 23 UForce 1000, tandem axle, 14-foot trailer, 18K OTD. All right, we're gonna get this put in. We'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. I will cut in. It's a right-handed thread. This is turned, you loosen it to the right, 6mm bolt that they give you. It goes right in that hole there. Pops secondary out so we can pop the belt off. And this kit does not come with any shims or weights or anything like that for secondary. It's all for your primary. All right, we got everything out. This is his old spring, the new one going in behind it. You can see the difference in resistance and how much thicker that is. Probably one of the easiest clutches I've ever seen compared to my Can-Am as far as changing his weights out. Just popping the collars off. He popped his old weight out, new weights in. These what, Jason, these are all within what, a 1200ths of a gram of each other, so very consistent, very, very consistent.
The factories were not.
Factories were off by how much? Probably
20.15.
1.2. So yeah, they're not near as consistent in overall weight. So we're gonna get it thrown on there and test it out and see how much smoother it is. Let's see how she feels. Let's check this engagement. Does it feel a little quicker?
Yeah, it's definitely quicker. Yeah, you can feather the throttle a lot better. Oh god, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's way smoother. Engaged way quicker.
We'll hit this bumpy part of the yard and see what's... That's way
Smoother. I know y'all can't hardly tell in the video, but trust us. Coming across them little wavy bumps right there a while ago where it was so sensitive and grabby.
This right here is the worst part of the yard. Oh god.
Reduced it probably what, Jason? 50%?
Probably a little more. 70.
It's smoother. I like it.
Definitely running some more RPM.
You haven't tested the top speed, have you?
From everything I've read, factory units are anywhere from 67 to 70.
My guess is you might lose 4 or 5, probably.
A couple of people I've seen test them is 3.
About 3? Yeah, that's what I figured.
You can put their helix in and get it back.
I was supposed to lose about 5 to 8 on my X3, but I think it'll still do over 90. We're gonna test her back and try her back in high range. Oh, yeah. It caught quicker. Nice. How much did you pay for it?
They're the 25% off. I think I got it to the house for $100.
About $100. Well worth the investment. It feels like a good smoother pull to me too.
Yeah,
A little less spongy.
put it in low and normal and go across the
Oh yeah, that's considerably better, a lot better.
Still doing it.
You get some of it, it's probably gonna be hard to clutch it all out.
Well, you can do, I think RNG stuff, but like I said, it takes the starting RPMs all the way down to 1750.
That's gonna be almost instant off the throttle. Overall, I think it's well worth the $100 investment. So if you got a UForce 1000 for $100 or so, well worth it.